In the heart of Riyadh, a dream is taking shape. One that spans over 2.1 million square meters. This is King Abdullah International Park. Not just a park, a visionary space where nature, culture, and innovation collide. Picture walking through gardens that stretch endlessly, standing beneath an open-sky amphitheater built for thousands, or simply breathing in fresh air in the middle of one of the fastest-growing cities in the world. This isn't an ordinary public space. It's a mega-project, reimagining urban life in Saudi Arabia, designed for families, dreamers, artists, athletes, everyone. With botanical gardens, museums, a giant fountain show, and year-round events, this will be a pulse point for the future of Riyadh. As Vision 2030 accelerates, so does the promise of places like these. King Abdullah International Park, a mega dream now becoming reality.